Okay, we've got the bent wing turbine. There's the generator. I've got a 2-inch pulley on there, so the gear ratio matches the design a little bit closer. This is connected to our charge controller right there. The big turbine is just shorted out. That's why it's clunking around and not spinning, because it's essentially got the brakes on. And getting some power out of this. There's a puff, 3.6, 4.9 watts, 4.5. We're already up to 75 watt hours. So it's doing pretty good.